I'm Timo Valtonen, CEO and co-founder of Flow Computing. PPU is an accelerator for CPU, and somebody was saying, so this is a funny story, but this was a bit like CPUs are sequential and PPUs parallel. So what this, somebody was referring to, okay, you guys are really, so thinking about CPU and PPU, it's like a married couple. So you have the man or the male, which is sequential. So you have this, the Finnish saying is that you have this pipe brain, so your brain is processing as a pipe in sequential manner, but then the woman, the wife, so that's capable of multitasking, processing parallel, doing several things at the same time. So then CPU and PPU are like a happily married couple, so that will then complement each other, and then you can have the best of both worlds. So the sequential optimization plus the parallel optimization, the same single configuration in silicon. We basically would like to solve these the problems that the current technologies are having in terms of just the performance, or the CPU being the weakest link in computation. So there's a lot of use cases that are now starting to suffer because of the CPU's inadequate capabilities to handle the processing. And at the other side, so there's a lot of like discussions about GPU computing, but there's many use cases that the GPUs are problematic, so having challenges of cost, having challenges with the heat generation, power consumption. Also the size is in many cases much bigger than the CPU. So we believe that if you get this CPU plus PPU combination to work together with our future customers, so that will enable a lot of use cases that has not been currently solved. So like a very demanding type of an autonomous robotics or logistics, or even this type of industrial solutions in the form of IoT and cloud edge computing. So data is new oil in a way as well. So you can think of it, you don't have to take the more performance power as just with the pure power. So with our technology, it's a parametric in nature, so you can bargain, you can exchange the increased performance for improved power consumption as well, so that you can turn that maximum performance to significantly improved performance while significantly also improving the energy consumption, and then having more capable processors with less energy consuming impacts. CPUs have been experiencing something like 20% max improvement by generation. So big companies are working 2 years in order to get 19% improvement on the CPU performance. And sadly, most of the performance is also coming with the smaller geometries and better nodes that I've been using. So during the past 20 years, so it has been 9 nanometer geometries that I've been using now. Now it's down to 2 nanometers. So what happens simultaneously, that cost is increasing. So CPU has been ending in like a situation that is dictating the cost, so it's increasing the cost, but also keeping this, you could say, the performance capabilities at bay, so the performance is not increasing at the same pace as the cost is increasing. Next year we would like to get our commercial beta for parallel processing in the PPU ready. So we want to show the world that we could get more than 2 times improved performance with CPUs that are equipped with PPU, and then having this also showing that there would be 100 times faster potential for optimized use cases, and both with full use cases, so full industrial industry use cases that could solve that one. And we would like to also during the next year, so we'll get the lead customers in line and committed and start co-developing the future CPUs with PPUs together with them. One thing that I would like to address is that we really have one of the best teams in this industry. So we have a lot of talented experts from CPU companies like ARM and CPU manufacturers, and also then the innovators of our technology who have been patenting this so far. And we have a small team, but it's consisting of 5 nationalities, and we have 4 PhDs in the team. So it's a small, talented, highly capable team to execute this product further.